From this video, let's learn how to solve without the use of calculator. The question says, use the laws of indices only. Can this be possible? Keep on watching as the solution unfolds. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel as much as you find value watching this video. Thank you. Now let's get started. Before we get started, I want you to note that 40 from the numerator can be equal to 2 multiplied by 20, right? Great. So that means we can be able to replace 40 from the numerator with 2 multiplied by 20. And that will now make the question to be 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 20 divided by 4 to the power of 20. Great. Now, how do the laws of indices come in here? Now, recall this law of indices that if you have a to the power of xy, which is similar to what we have in the numerator, this can be equal to a to the power of x multiplied by y, right? And also, this can also be equal to a to the power of y multiplied by x, right? Great. So that simply tells us that we can simplify the numerator of that question to become 2 to the power of 2 all to the power of 20, right? And that will divide 4 to the power of 20. Now, if we simplify that, that simply will make the question to become 2 to the power of 2 will now give us 4 to the power of 20, right? Divided by 4 to the power of 20. Now, what do you notice here? That we have the numerator to be equal to the same value as the denominator. And if you simplify that, you can simply find that this will give you 1 and this will give you 1. And that 1 divided by 1 will be equal to 1. And that's the solution to this question. Now we can also solve this question using another way. And how do we do that? Now let's assume that we are given the question again once more, 2 to the power of 40 divided by 4 to the power of 20. Right? Great. That is the initial question. So if we're given that question, the first thing I want to do is to also recall that from the denominator, 4 can be equal to 2 to the power of 2, right? So I can replace that in that expression. That will give me 2 to the power of 40, right? Divided by 2 to the power of 2, all to the power of 20. Now you see that I'm simply going to use the laws of indices to still simplify this. From the law of indices, if you have 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 20, what is it going to give you? That exactly is going to give you 2 to the power of 2 multiplied by 20, and this will be equal to 2 to the power of 40, right? Good. So that means that expression can now give us 2 to the power of 40 divided by 2 to the power of 40. And what would that give us? That will give us, this will give you 1 and this will give you 1. So that expression will be equal to 1. And that is the solution to that question we have given to us above. So you see, just simply with the use of the laws of indices, we are able to reduce this fractional powers to their lowest term. I hope you did enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics solutions. Thanks so much for watching, and bye-bye for now.